Today I'm going to explain about cyclins. Cyclins are involved in the control of the cell cycle. Cyclins are a family of proteins that control the progression of cells through the cell cycle. First, we need to know that cells cannot progress to the next stage of the cell cycle unless the specific cyclin reaches its threshold. Last class we studied mitosis, right? So cyclins are very important in the process of interphase and mitosis. Number 2, cyclins bind to enzymes called cyclin-dependent kinases. These kinases then become active and attach phosphate groups to other proteins in the cell. The attachment of the phosphates triggers the other proteins to become active and carry out tasks specific to one of the phases of the cell cycle. So we're going to understand this better, checking this graph that we have here. So progression through parts of the cell cycle are affected in various ways by specific cyclins. So we have 4 different types of cyclins, A, B, D, and E. Those are the 4 types of cyclins that every single cell has. And in this graph we have the concentration of the cyclin and the phases of my cell replication. Okay, first we have G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Those phases are part of interphase, like it's the preparation of the cell to carry out mitosis. And then we have mitosis. Okay, mitosis. What is happening in those phases? Depending on the concentration of the cyclin, for example, we have cyclin D. What is the function of that one? Triggers cells to move from G0 to G1 and from G1 into S phase. So as the concentration increases, something happens. Then we have the cyclin E. As you can see, this is the amount of cyclin that we're going to have. And that triggers what? Prepares the cell for DNA replication in S phase. Cyclin A activates DNA replication inside the nucleus in S phase. And cyclin B, that is the last one, promotes the assembly of the mitotic spindle and other tasks in the cytoplasm to prepare for mitosis. So depending on the concentration of the 4 different cyclins, interphase and mitosis are going to occur and are going to trigger cell division.